Hey people, so just now on through Amazon I ordered this particular chain. It's a copper, it's a gold plated copper chain, which is not too expensive. It's just 200 bucks actually, but it is beautiful, right? And this stone, of course, I had it earlier, this pendant. In fact, for the sake of this pendant, this is actually a om pendant comes with it, but I'm not wearing the om, but I'm wearing this stone with it, and it feels so good. Yeah, I mean, no, people who would just now I was reading a lot about all these gemstones and all, because all these stones have been on this planet for millions of years, right? You and me are here for like 30, 40, 50, 70 years is you know but these stones have been around for millions of years, so they are a concentrated form of energy. So that's what my previous video had crossed 2 minutes, but this is 1 minute long. But really, people, so I would highly recommend, especially during times like this when there's so much uncertainty and all, wearing these stones have such a calming effect. So really, so on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.